teaching parts of the body here in English, and this one is Somali. Head, mother, ear, back, neck, throat, gum, this one, nose, sun, hair, timor, mouth, eye, ear, tongue, Arab. Arm, gun, knee, low ear jib, thigh, bordeaux, tummy or stomach, alone, elbow, husul. Here, wrist, kalagoisi, it's here, kalagoisi, breast, nurse, nail, hidi, this one is hidi or hidio, shoulder, karabo, your karabo, bag, double, teeth, ilko, one is ill, bones, lafo, your laugh, buttocks is badio. Thank you for watching. I love you people. Mwah.